Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Mya Leilani if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to get a makeup kit. I don't know if we should go to Target. I mean, not Target. Target might be a good idea. I could find some cheaper stuff at Target, and then whatever I don't find at Target, get it other place. We're gonna go to Target first, and then either go to Sephora or Ulta. So we made it to Sephora. I have a list on my phone of the things that I need because I don't wear makeup, but I want to start getting into it. So this is like just like a beginner, like everything that you need to know before getting. I can't even sit here and lie. I'm like so lost. This is totally like out of my zone. But I got some things I think will be good things. Hopefully will be good things. He's hating because he don't like when I wear makeup.
Flex OD, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line.
I like to get the rest of the stuff that is like,
You want to go Target, baby?
yeah. That people were like, this is probably the best thing you can get. But I just wanted this because it's color. And then this for eyebrows, and all this is for lips. So like foundation and stuff, since I'm new, I don't want to spend too much money on something I don't know. Y'all, babe thought this was a girl store, and you could look at him. He done found the men's cologne. Now we can stay a little longer. I need one of them charging things that'll charge them like instead of one at a time.
Okay, 101.
You want to do another Lego kit? Okay, hey y'all, it is a lot later in the day. The sun has went down. I had to go get a wax appointment at like 7:45. Got my legs waxed, and then Bay's mom had food at the house for us, so we came home to eat before it was too cold. But we're on our way to Target. If you can't tell, I have on a lip combo that I tried. I'm not a fan. I don't think it's not bad, it's just not what I'm used to. But we are on our way to Target to find some cheaper products. Baby, Sephora was overpriced. Not even overpriced, but it just had a lot of more high-end stuff that we were looking for. I'm using my phone instead of my camera because all of my batteries are dead and I cannot find my charger. So, yeah, it is the next day after shopping, and I was coming to give y'all a haul and another giveaway announcement. I'm gonna do the haul first and then tell y'all everything you need to know about the giveaway. So first off, y'all saw that we went to Sephora. It's a long receipt, but I only got like 4 things. I don't know if it's overpriced because I don't buy makeup, but it's a lot to get into makeup, and I'm learning that. I'll tell y'all what I got. I spent a total of $101.76, but that's including tax. Before tax, it was $96, and I got 5 things, and they're all like small too. I don't know. I'm new to this world, so we just gonna go. The thing I want to talk about is this Laneige lip glowy balm in the flavor berry. Now, I've used this brand before, and let me just say their lip product doesn't feel like lip gloss at all, but it looks like it's a lip balm, obviously, so it's supposed to make your lips look moisturized or whatever. But this is honestly like my favorite lip product. I used to get this when I was like 16. My little, like, what did I do to deserve that? But it's worth it, and it lasts a long time. Next thing I got was this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I got this for the simple fact that everybody who I watch that does makeup on YouTube gets this and like swears by it. Like, it has to be hidden on something if everybody's using it and everybody's saying that it's a good, reliable product. But it's the brow pencil on one side, the spoolie on the other side. I have brow gel as well, and I would rather use a brow pencil than brow gel. And I got this in the shade dark brown because I feel like, granted it was the darkest color and then it was like ebony and then dark brown, but I feel like this matched closer to like the colors of my hair. I have to take these off, y'all. It's annoying me. This was a lot closer to the colors of my hair, and it would like blend more seamlessly than anything darker would, even though I do have like dark hair, but it's not It's not too dark. I got two things from Fenty Beauty. I got the gloss bomb. I've had this before and it leaked everywhere, and I don't know if it was because like I was just carrying it in my backpack when I was in high school or whatever, but I really didn't mess with that. So I'm giving them another chance. Not to say that it's bad, like I like the lip gloss. It's just I didn't like the fact, I hate when lip glosses like leak through the like seal. This in the color Fussy, and honestly y'all, this color is so stinking cute. It's not too pink, it's just enough gloss, just enough glitter. It's not like overdoing it. But I got this to match with this brown Fenty pencil lip liner. It is in the shade Extra Thigh, and I'm not gonna lie y'all, I used this last night whenever I went to Target, and I used it like I paired it with the Fussy. I think it's too dark for me, I'm not going to lie. It's like come up anymore, or is this it? I think this is it. Just another thing to like mix with the brow pencil or other brow pencils that I have. I just wanted like a pale pink. If you know me, you know I only wear clear lip gloss and that's it. But I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone with the makeup and explore, because I feel like at some point everybody needs to know like a little something about makeup, and I don't really know much, so y'all are gonna learn with me. New experience for everybody. So yeah, that's all I have for this. I am going to do like a soft, even a soft glam, but like a no makeup look, just to see what I like, because I did not get foundation, and I'm gonna tell you why. Let's move on to Target. So at Target I got kind of a lot more stuff just because, you know, like my price range. But I only spent $50 at Target and got a lot more stuff. I'll start off with the makeup. I started off with this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with the 4% niacinamide. I like niacinamide. I use La Roche-Posay, the foaming cleanser, and it has niacinamide in it, so I feel like doing something right for my skin, because my acne and stuff is clearing up. So I felt like why not get to a one if it's gonna be the same price as the regular Power Grip Primer. Then I got the NYX Dewy Finish up to 16 hours worth of wear. It's a setting spray. It's concealer. Got it kinda in like my natural shade. If y'all aren't familiar with me, I'm like super tan right now. This is gonna be eventually too dark, but I wanted to just get a concealer, and I don't like the whole like full face of makeup. If I am gonna wear makeup, I'll do like under eyes or spot conceal. So I felt like this was a better option for me, especially because I am not familiar with makeup and I'm not sure the products or like the shade that I should be getting for like foundation and concealer. But I do know that I want to experiment, so I tried to get this LA Girls Pro Conceal just because it was only $5, and everything else I felt was a little bit too out of my price range for not knowing enough about makeup, and I didn't want to spend too much. Like, I got the stuff from Sephora because everybody says it's good, it's worth it, it's gonna be worth the money. But as far as like concealer and foundation and like bronzer and things like that, like I said, I'm new to this, so I'm trying to figure out what works for me and what doesn't work for me, the shades I should be getting when I'm tan, and then, you know, in the winter seasons when I'm much lighter than this. But for right now, I got this in the tone medium beige. Sure, like I was in Target for a minute trying to figure out what to get. It's like lighter than me, but like when it blends out, it's not too light. Like if y'all can see that, yeah, but it's not too light. So I was like, might as well stick with something around my skin tone, so I'm not, you know, having super bright under eyes. I like more natural makeup, natural. I then got this 5-in-1 clear mascara. By usage, I didn't even see this, I just got it because it was a clear mascara. I already have long lashes. Sometimes I do just want like a clear finish, I don't want the extra. A primer, mascara, brow gel, hair gel, and faux lash top coat, whatever that means. But yeah, this is by Physicians Formula. I'm in mascara. I got this pack of beauty blenders. It was a 3-pack, so I also picked up this Great Molecules toner and hyaluronic acid. I use the Yuka app for probably almost everything, just to make sure it's like healthy. Well, not even necessarily like healthy, but making sure it doesn't have too many like high risk additives or anything like that, and that it's able to be used on skin. It's safe to wear. things like that. Like, it's not gonna harm me over time. So I was trying to get a hyaluronic acid serum because I ran out of my last one, and I don't have my brightening toner either. Getting the Good Molecules one because when I scanned one, it was like Good Molecules is 10 out of 10. I'm going with, and I used it last night. They're both very lightweight, and I would recommend using them. If you guys are interested, I am going to be putting out a morning routine and a night routine, and probably a skincare routine as well, as I'm coming back from not posting for a long time, so I want to give updated everything. Stay tuned to see that video. That is all that I got from Target and Sephora for the makeup haul. If you are entered in the giveaway, you will be getting an exact makeup kit like everything I just got. Obviously, I'll ask you about the shade you would rather have, because, you know, everybody's different. You're probably not going to be the exact same concealer or brow pencil shade that I am. With that being said, make sure you enter the giveaway. Do all the steps to enter the giveaway. You'll be put in a drawing, and then if you get chosen, one of these could be yours. And it's $150 worth of stuff, y'all, so it seems like a steal to me, especially because, you know, you're not paying for it. Definitely love to give out, you know, a makeup kit and help someone start their makeup journey all along with me. And I feel like everything was pretty much, you know, beginner friendly. It had to be beginner friendly because I'm a beginner still. Hope to see you guys enter the drawing, and I'm really excited to see who wins the makeup kit. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Stay tuned for the no makeup look and the morning routines, and don't forget to enter the drawing. Rules and everything will be in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you guys. And question of the day, what is your favorite makeup brand, and when did you start doing your makeup? I would like to know. And if you have any tips, any pointers, anything, please comment. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.